Nataka kuondoka is a phrase you can use when you are with someone and you want to leave. Okay, you want to excuse yourself to leave. You can say nataka kuondoka. Hujambo na karibu. Karibu tena katika ufalme wa Kiswahili. Kama jamii tunasaidiana kukikuza na kukiimarisha Kiswahili chetu kwa sababu tunaamini experts were once beginners. Na wewe pia uko njiani kuwa mmoja wetu na kuongea Kiswahili kama mwenyeji. Kwa hiyo nakusihi tafadhali subscribe hapo chini ili usikose video zozote ambazo tuna upload hapa katika Swahili Kingdom. Asante sana kwa kujiunga katika hii jamii ya Swahili Kingdom. Leo tunajifunza kuhusu maneno 20 ambayo yanatumika sana. We are learning about 20 common phrases that are used in Swahili, both from beginner to the advanced level. So sit back, relax, have a pen and a book where you can write, and let's continue with the lesson. The first one, if you have been a beginner, you know this one. If you have started learning Swahili already, you know this one, which is ndio. It is sometimes written as ndio or ndiyo, but it is pronounced as ndio. Okay? Which means yes. For example, if someone asks you, umekula? If you have eaten, you answer ndio. Umekula? Ndio. Have you eaten? Yes. Then we have the other one. If you want to say no, how do you do it in Swahili? Hapana. Hapana. No. Hapana. And then the third one, which shows that you are thankful with something. When someone gives you a compliment, okay, you will be like, you will show a good character when you use asante. Okay, asante. A compliment or doing you a favor or something that you're supposed to say thank you in English, you use asante. Okay, asante. And then we have tafadhali. Tafadhali means please. When you want to borrow something, or when you want to, if you have a request to someone, you use tafadhali. For example, you can say tafadhali nipatie maji ya kunywa. Tafadhali nipatie maji ya kunywa. Please assist me with water. Tafadhali nipatie maji ya kunywa. Then we have samahani. Samahani means apologies or sorry. Okay? Samahani. If you have done something that you are not supposed to do, you can say samahani. Samahani. I'm sorry. Then number 6, we have a greeting. A formal greeting. When someone greets you, hujambo. Hujambo. How are you supposed to respond? Si jambo. Hujambo, si jambo. Hujambo, si jambo. Okay, then number 7, we have another greeting, which is habari gani. Most of my students confused when someone says habari gani. How are you supposed to respond? You can respond with poa, nzuri, or salama. Poa, nzuri, salama. Habari gani? You can say poa, nzuri, or salama, but the most formal one is nzuri. Okay? And we have unaitwa nani. When someone asks you, unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? What is your name? Unaitwa nani is a casual way of saying what is your name. You say ninaitwa. Unaitwa nani? Ninaitwa. Unaitwa nani? Let me say my name is Maria. Unaitwa nani? Ninaitwa Maria. Unaitwa nani? Ninaitwa Juma. Okay? Then we have jina langu ni. Now jina langu ni is the formal way of saying my name is. Jina langu ni Maria. Okay? So with that, someone is going to ask you, jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Then you respond, jina langu ni Maria. Jina langu ni Maria. Okay? So you see, it's almost the same, but you are changing the possessive. Jina lako ni nani? Ako is your, a possessive suffix of your. Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Jina langu ni Maria. Angu shows my. Angu. Jina langu ni Maria. Okay, and then we have when you are going to someone, okay, or if someone has knocked on your door or someone wants to get in, you tell them karibu ndani, karibu ndani, welcome inside, welcome in, karibu ndani. Okay, karibu ndani. And if you want to show if you want to show good manners to this guest and you have food, you can tell them karibu chakula, karibu chakula. Or if you have anything to offer, for example, if it's juice, you tell them karibu juisi. If it's water, karibu maji. Karibu plus the noun, okay, that you are offering. Karibu plus the service that you are offering. Karibu chakula, karibu juisi, karibu maji, karibu matunda. Okay? And then we have nataka kuondoka. Nataka kuondoka is a phrase you can use when you are with someone and you want to leave. Okay, you want to excuse yourself to leave. You can say nataka kuondoka. But there is a polite way which is naomba kuondoka. Naomba kuondoka means I request to leave. That one can be formal as well. Naomba kuondoka. Formal, respectful. But you can say nataka kuondoka as well in a casual conversation, because nataka shows that I want. Nataka kuondoka, it's not that formal. Nataka kuondoka, but naomba kuondoka is formal and respectful. And then when you want to leave, you say, like when you are leaving, you say kwaheri, kwaheri, bye, kwaheri, bye. And if someone else is telling you kwaheri, how do you respond? You respond by saying kwaheri. Okay, when they say kwaheri, you also say kwaheri, or you can say kwaheri ya kuonana, kwaheri ya kuonana, or you can also say tuonane, tuonane if you don't know when you are going to meet, or maybe if you don't know if you're going to meet, just reply kwaheri. But if you're going to meet another time, you say kwaheri, tuonane baadaye, tuonane baadaye, let's meet later. Okay, or you can say tuonane tena, kwaheri, tuonane tena, let's meet again. Okay, or we will see each other again. And when someone is going for a journey, you tell them safari njema. For example, if you are talking to someone, maybe let's say on WhatsApp or whichever social media app, and they tell you, I'm going to go to this place, and you are speaking in Swahili, tell them safari njema to wish them a good journey, or journey masses. Safari njema, safari njema, journey masses. Okay? Then we have ngoja kidogo. Ngoja kidogo, wait a little bit. Ngoja kidogo. Okay, so for example, if you had a visitor in your house, a Swahili speaker, and now that person wants to leave and they tell you naomba kuondoka, and maybe you had a gift you wanted to give them, when they tell you naomba kuondoka, tell them ngoja kidogo, ngoja kidogo, wait a little bit. Okay, and they are going to wait, and you can give them the thing that you wanted to give, or tell them the thing that you wanted to tell them. Ngoja kidogo, ngoja kidogo. Okay? Or if someone was talking to you and you are doing something, for you not to look like you are ignoring that person, you can tell them ngoja kidogo, ngoja kidogo, wait a little bit. Okay, then we have unataka nini, unataka nini, what do you want, unataka nini, what do you want. Then I have another cool thing. So I have hii ni nini. When you want to ask what is this, you say hii ni nini, what is this. Hii ni nini. Hii ni nini is the most common way of asking what is this. Okay, but hii ni nini, he is from the easy noun class. Okay, there is a video that I have made for the demonstratives in Swahili in the 6 most important noun classes. Okay, go watch that video. It will be recommended at the end of this video. Go watch it to know better. But if you don't know, just stick to he ni nini. He is for the easy noun class. but just tick the he ni nini. But when you want to ask about the our noun class, the our noun class is only for living things, things that can breathe only. Okay, so if you are asking about someone, you don't say he ni nini. Okay, someone might get offended. You ask huyu ni nani. Who is this? Huyu ni nani. You see, it has changed from he ni nini. He is something, a thing, an item. Okay, something that is not in the our noun class, something that is not a living thing. You can use he ni nini. But when you are talking about a living thing, a person, use huyu ni nani. Who is this? Huyu ni nani. I hope you have gotten that one. And then when someone tells you asante, asante, there is a great way you can respond to them, meaning it's nothing. Asante, you just say si kitu. Asante, si kitu, it's nothing. Or when someone tells you samahani or pole, samahani, pole means sorry. You say si kitu, it's okay. Si kitu, it's okay or it's nothing. Si kitu. Okay? Then we have sijui. Sijui. When someone asks you a question you don't know, you reply with sijui, I don't know. Sijui, I don't know. And if you know, you say najua. Najua. Okay? Sijui, najua. Sijui, najua. Okay, the next phrase is ninaelewa. I understand. Ninaelewa. But sometimes you're going to hear natives say naelewa. Naelewa. Okay? It's not wrong, it's just that natives are shortening some words. Okay, you do shorten some words in your native language, right? So instead of saying ninaelewa, a native will say naelewa. Ninaelewa, naelewa. I understand. If you don't understand, you say sielewi. Sielewi. Okay? Then the next phrase is hii ni nzuri sana. Hii ni nzuri sana. So you can see we are using he in things that are not living. Hii ni nzuri sana. This is very nice. This is very nice. If it were a person, it would be huyu ni mzuri sana. So adjectives with person, Bantu adjectives, have M in front of them. Okay? Huyu ni mzuri sana. This is a very nice. So it will mean person, animal, bird, the our noun class. Okay? Then we have ninakubali, I agree. Ninakubali, I agree. Or nakubali, I agree. Remember the shortening. Nakubali, I agree. Then if you are not agreeing, you say sikubali. Sikubali, I don't agree. Sikubali, I don't agree. Then we have nisaidie tafadhali. Nisaidie tafadhali. Please help me. Nisaidie tafadhali. Thank you so much for watching this video. Those are the 20 phrases, most important phrases in Swahili that it's good for you to know. Okay, when you know them, you will have an easier route. You will have an easier route in learning Swahili. Okay, they are quite important. Even when you are traveling, it's good to know them for you to at least speak. Use tafadhali to be polite. Asante, pole, ndio, hapana. Okay, they are going to help you so much. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and kindly go watch this video on the Swahili descriptives. Okay, he, hiyo, ile, hizi, huyu, to know more about those things. In this next video, I have explained on the descriptives of the 6 most common noun classes in Swahili, and I have talked about each noun class in that video. So it's a chance for you to know about the noun class again, and it's a chance for you again to know about the descriptive adjectives, okay, and also descriptive pronouns, and also connect the noun class and the descriptive pronouns, because noun classes are quite important in Swahili. They say noun classes are hard, but remember, they usually say the hardest point is where your growth is. Okay, when you get to the hardest point, or when you open the hardest point, the rest of the things are going to be easy. So when you know the noun class, which is the foundation of Swahili, things are going to be easy and get easier for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe, comment down below how you have found this video. If it was interesting, you learned something, or anything you'd like me to improve. Thank you so much. If you want to support me financially, buy me a coffee. The link is down in the description box below. And if you are in need of any course in Swahili, there's a link for courses in the description box below, or you can send me an email as well, and I will help you on that. Asante tena. Kwaheri.